Practice questions and flashcards work hand in hand, and together they form what I think is the strongest, most exciting part of the entire app. Let's start with practice questions because honestly, they're a massive game changer. Medley can generate practice questions from any document in the app. Your lecture notes, uploaded PDFs, your summaries, even the AI-generated notes you just created. And the variety is fantastic. You get multiple choice questions, structured questions, and the kind of short answer prompts that actually make you think. It's not just surface level recall. It pushes you to understand the material. What I love most is how interactive the whole experience is. You can type your answers, or if you're like me and you love handwriting, you can write them out. And Medley checks them in real time. It highlights the key points in your answer, shows you what you got right, and gently corrects what you missed. It's like having a tutor sitting right next to you, guiding you through the material. The handwriting recognition is surprisingly good. It still needs some work on palm rejection and the general feel of the pen, but the fact that it recognizes handwritten answers at all is impressive. And because you can't adjust the pen thickness or color, I was relieved to see that the default settings actually work well for answering questions. Practice questions are genuinely fun to go through. They make studying active, not passive. And if you're preparing for exams, this feature alone could save you hours of time. And you knew there was a but coming. I would have loved the option to export the questions as PDFs, or even retake the entire test. At the moment, you can only reset each question one by one, which is a lot of work, unless you only want to redo questions you got wrong, in which case, not a bad idea. Flashcards in Medley are simple, clean, and incredibly easy to create as well. The interface is so straightforward that you can build a full deck in minutes. And this is where the simplicity becomes a limitation. They're too basic. There is no spaced repetition, no progress tracking, or learning stats on how well you're doing. They work, but they don't give you the advanced features we've come to expect from digital flashcards. It's not a deal breaker, but it does mean you're missing out on the deeper learning insights that make flashcards so powerful. What do you think is the best part of Medley? Let us know in the comments below.